Bone marrow aspiration is a simple idea because from hematologic part there is stem cells, and they are very well known by the hematologists in 1950. And the stromal system contained also precursors. It was suspected in the period of 1869 by Goujon. It was confirmed by Owen and Friedenstein. Bone marrow aspiration, it appears very simple, but you have to think that also you need to do correctly if you want to have stem cells. This is just a picture to show you when you sometimes, if you have perforation of the iliac wing, the osteogenic activity that can arrive in the muscle after aspiration. But it's not so simple because you have different iliac wings, and many people are thinking they are taking bone marrow, but suspect they are taking rather blood, because sometimes it's not so easy. In such anatomy, it's difficult to introduce